Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's talk about planners today. Are you a stationery addict like me? Do you like collecting planners? Here's my stack. I can't say I don't really use them much. Every time I buy one, I tell myself that this one will achieve planner peace. But is there such a thing? A little backstory. My first Louis Vuitton agenda was the GM. I said I need space to write, so the GM will be perfect for me. I got myself some cloth and paper inserts, but as you can see, those pages are pretty much blank. Then I said, oh, maybe it's too big to carry around. So I got myself the MM. Wow, perfect size for writing and carrying it around. So let's look inside. Oh, the pages are mostly blank too. Okay, maybe the MM is not what I need. Planner community said that the CCGM is the best and very hard to find. Me and my fear of missing out, found my essay and got myself a CCGM with this cute Vivienne insert. Okay, still blank. Okay, next. Maybe I need the desk agenda. The rings on the GM gets in my way when I write, so the desk agenda should be perfect. 2022? Why it's still blank? Then here comes the PM. I was like, well, I got all the agendas, missing the PM, so why not? It wasn't expensive, so I guess I can use it as a notepad or a card holder. And then I told myself this is getting ridiculous. There's no such thing as planner peace, but more like a planner addiction. I stopped browsing the Louis Vuitton website since then and unfollowed the planner community and social media related to anything Louis Vuitton. Back in 2019, my essay managed to order the Paul Mahina for me. I tried to fit this $JB6 and my mini HP inside. Back then it was about $1,000. It was simple and I couldn't justify the price and the glazing was kinda off. So I returned it. FOMO hit in during lockdown with all those IG posts on the Mahina. Until on a nice Monday morning, I don't know why there's a post popping out in my Facebook showing this gorgeous new Paul notebook cover in empreinte. I hopped into Louis Vuitton website and it was available to purchase. So I text my essay who is off. So anyways, to make the story short, it was sold out within 20 minutes. I wasn't that upset because, well, I told myself no more planners, so I guess they heard me. And it was fate perhaps. 1 week later, I opened my browser to search for a recipe and magically it opened the Louis Vuitton website on the Paul notebook and it had a put in cart option on it. I can believe my eyes. I refreshed the page. Yeah, still available. So here she is. They call it notebook cover Nomade, but it has the same feature and dimension as the Paul. While I order it, it says due to high demand, it will take from 21 to 46 days to get it shipped. I got it in a week later, so I was kind of worried that I might get a return from someone and that the notebook might have some defects. From all the times I ordered online, it always had problems, either the glazing peeling off or the hardware color fading. So hopefully this one won't have too much issues. So here she is. Still has the hardware protection plastic on it. looks fine to me. She is made in France. Glazing looks fine to me. It has a tiny dot with missing paint on the flower here. But the rest looks fine. So let's see if it fits the B6 we have here. Let's start with the Stylogy B6 we have. Doesn't seem to close, so I just gave up. Okay, now I remember the other reason why I returned the Mahina. It couldn't close my Stylogy inside and a mini HP. Let's try the Muji B6. It fits the Muji and it closes, but it seems kinda off. I don't know anymore. It kind of feels weird, don't you think? Should I keep it? Or should I return it? Will I get another FOMO again if I return it? She should look good on the shelf with the other planners, don't you think? If you were me, will you keep it? Let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. See you soon.